Quentin Lowe, CSC 110, Winter 2019 for Mr. Wellman. And this is the Homework 8 YouTube exercise. So for this problem, I use the reverse function as a helper function. And this reverses the string that's inputted into it. So first I initialize the string, and then I have a for loop that's the length of the string. And then I add the letter at the end of the string first, and I go through the string backwards, and I keep adding those letters to the new string. And I go through the string backwards by subtracting n each time, because n increases by 1 every time we go through the loop. So for the reverse each word and sentence function, first I initialize a list, then I make list of words, which is the sentence split up. That way we have, instead of one long string, we have a list of smaller strings, which is each word individually. Then we go through this list of words using a for loop. So if the word has a period in it, what we do is we redefine the word to be the word but without the period at the end by subtracting 1 from the length of the word. And then we add to our list L the word but add the period at the end. This way it'll reverse the word after taking away the period and then add the period at the end again. And if it doesn't have a period, then we just use the reverse function to add the word in reverse. Then we have a list of all the words in reverse. So we use the join function to add all those words together, but put a space in between each one and define that, and then we return that. So when this is printed with a period at the end, we get each word in reverse but end with a period at the end instead of right here. And if we get rid of this period, then we get that, but since this doesn't happen because there's no period in it, we just get every word in reverse without a period.